sticking, the other monkey's sticking it right to his, to her baby.
This is either a gopher or a squirrel or a escaped hamster or something out in the grounds at the zoo. Not in a cage, but just out in the open. He's saying hi to Toby now. Says, I want to chew you up. Okay. I guess that's enough.
Is that adorable?